the text tool over here, just press it. You can change the font as well in there and the size. I'm just going to leave it as the normal one for now. So what I want to do is, if I wanted to alter this text, I can click on this one here and I'm going to turn it, because at the moment there's no nodules or vector points. I want to make it so that there is, so I can alter the font, and it means that the laser cutter will then read it as well. So I'm going to click on this one and click there. So now you can see that on all of these, they have turned them so they're individual shapes now rather than letters or fonts altogether. So it means that I could move where they're situated, and they're all individual as well. I might try the M here. If I zoom in, I can alter the way that it looks like this. There we go. I could take away some of the anchor points as well to change how it was looking. So maybe like this. Because they're repeated, I'm just going to delete that one and copy and paste this one across here, and then this one I'll bring in as well. So say I wanted to turn it onto a keyring here. First thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to highlight the whole thing, and I'm going to get the colors right for the laser. So at the moment let's check here. So that's none. I don't want none. Well, I do want none, but at the moment, see, it's fill. There's no stroke, so that's what we're going to check out here. So let's give the stroke's the outline. So see, now I've got a red outline, and now I can delete the fill. There we go. But say I want to engrave it, so it's going to be RGB blue, because that's engrave on the laser cutter. There we go. But maybe I want to cut it out as well. No, I'm just going to engrave it. So say I wanted to turn it into a keyring or something. Let's check out these ones. So this is a star. So I could do it a star, but no, I don't want that. I'm just going to do it a circle. Maybe like an oval. It could just be a, I don't know, keyring or something. Like that. But it's going to be RGB red, because I'm going to cut the outside. The blue comes back down, so it's really important that they're at 255 and those two are at 0, like that. I could then just copy and paste this one. And let's just change this to 2mm. Oh, because it's a keyring, actually, I'll make it 5mm, because keyring holes are a bit bigger. Let's have a look. There we go. And how big's this? So this is quite small, actually. It's only 4cm by 4cm, but that's okay. And then let's see how that red looks different? It's because it's at 0.01, which is very small. So let's change that. So I just double click, and I'm just going to change it to 0.1, and that's small enough. Okay, I'm just going to check all my lines are at that, which, no, just going to select everything. So those, oh yeah, let's just change that as well to 0.01. Just so I just like everything to be the same. And then let's check this one. Yep, that's fine. So now let's save it. So it's an EPS, and I might just say JAMA keyring. And I'm just going to save it on my desktop, which it is, and it's an EPS. That's what the laser cutter will read. And say, I'm actually going to, see how it says embed fonts? I'm going to convert the text to path. So then it's not part of a font anymore. So, okay. There we go.